Good morning, everyone. I, Dr. Sheesh Ahmad, again welcome you all. So, in today's lecture, we will see how to simulate the traffic lights using WokWi. So, we have already seen that WokWi is is a simulator, and we can simulate about most of the IoT devices in WokWi, like Arduino, like ESP, like Raspberry Pi. Okay. So in today's video, we will see how we can use the Arduino for the simulation of the traffic lights using WokWi. Okay. So for that, first of all, we will open obviously WokWi.com, WOKWI, WokWi.com. Okay. Now we will log in. First of all, we will log in ourselves. For login, I've already told you in the previous lecture that how can we log in WokWi. We can log in through our email account. We can log in through any Gmail accounts. Okay. So I've already logged in. Okay, using my email ID sheeshbackup@gmail.com. And after that, I will open my project. Okay. So here, these are some projects I have already built on WokWi. So for traffic light simulation, I will go to the new project option, and here we are seeing where there are various IoT devices. We can implement any of the IoT devices on the WokWi, but here I am only using the Arduino Uno. Okay, so I will click Arduino Uno. Okay, now it is open. Okay. So here we are going to simulate the traffic light. So in this simulation, I will take three LEDs, red, green and yellow, and I will control the timings to get on and off of these LEDs using the programming. Okay, through the programming. So there are basically three files. Library manager contains all the libraries. Okay, and diagram.jsn is the description of this Arduino diagram. We can I will show you how can change the different how can change the diagram of the Arduino also. And sketch.ino is basically the file where we can write our programs. Okay. So first of all, I will open the diagram.json file. Here, I've already told you that we can. There is an option given at the right side of the screen. There are three points given here, three dots, and here we can choose any of the option. For example, if I click on the full screen, in that case, the Arduino will be shown on the full screen. Okay. We can exit from the full screen. Okay. We can get the toggle grid view. So this is the toggle grid view. Okay. So the toggle grid view is basically used for connection when for the complex connections, and visualization will be more easier in case of the complex connection basically. Okay. And we can zoom in and zoom out also. So we can increase the size, we can decrease the size, whatever we want. Okay. So let's exit from the full screen. Okay. Now it is showing the toggle view. Okay. Now we can do anything. For example, we can rotate this Arduino in any degree. So for rotation, simply here in parts option, here this is a part option. Okay. So in part option, we can write, okay, rotate. Okay, rotate. So we can rotate at any degree. For example, let I am rotating it 90 degree. 90 degree comma. Yeah. So here you can see that our Arduino kit has been rotated by 90 degree. You can change the rotation as you want. For example, if you want to rotate it 60 degree, you can rotate it. You can rotate at 90 degree, 180 degree, you can rotate it. So no problem. Okay. But here I will not use any rotation, so I will just delete it. Okay. So in the diagram.jsn, we can change the code here and we can get the view as we want. Okay. Now let's first of all, for traffic light simulation, obviously we should have 3 LEDs. Okay. So let's start. First of all, I am opening the full screen view. Okay. So to add the LED, there is an option given, add a new part. Okay, here. So I will click here and I will click LED. Okay. So this is my first LED. Okay. Let me rotate it for 180 degree more. It is rotated already. So rotate 180 degree. Oh, sorry. Not here. You write the code here. Rotate in double quotes. You have to write in double quotes. Rotate colon sign and then colon and write the 180 degree comma. Okay. So not 180 degree. I will only rotate by 90 degree. 90. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, okay, okay. Now we will again open the full screen mode. So we have added one LED. Okay, we added one LED, and again we need 3 LED. So again we will. This is another LED, and you can change the color of the LED also here from directly from here. Okay, for example, this is red. This is yellow, and this is another LED. Add another LED. Okay. Okay, and this is green. Okay. Let's zoom in. So we have added 3 LEDs, red, yellow and green. Okay. And now we will do the connection. So come again to the source of the diagram. Okay. Exit full screen. Now here you can see that here already the code is written. So here you can see the color is red, yellow and lime green. So I will change it to the green only. Okay, green. Now it is full green. Okay. So you can change the color of the LED from here also. For example, I will if I want to it black, it will be changed. The color of the LED will be changed to black. Okay. But here I want the color as a yellow color. Okay, red, yellow and green. Okay. Now we will go back to the full screen mode, and now we will do the connection. Okay. So what I will do, I will these are the UNO ports. Okay. So I am connecting the green color with port number 1. Done it. 2, yellow to 2. So if you want to till the wire, just click on the when you are scratching the connection, just click here and it will change the angle. Okay, and we will connect it to 3 here. Now connection of positive end of the LED to green is connected to 1, yellow is connected to 2, and red is connected to 3. Now you can also use the register here, okay, of any ohm, okay, of any capacity. Okay, so I am just want to remove and add and register here. So what I will do, I will just click here and delete it, delete this. Simple push the delete button, it will be the connection will be the wire will be deleted. Okay, so here I will use registers also. So for register I will use I will go to the add a new part, click here and add 3 register. So 1, keep it here, second register, keep it here, and third one, keep it here. Okay, now you can see uh, the coding when you have added the register in the connection view. Okay, so I will again exiting from this location, and here we will see that yeah, WokWi register. We have added 3 WokWi registers. This one, and this one. Okay, and here the attribute in attribute value is written that their resistance is 1000. So we can increase or decrease the resistance of the resistor. Okay, 1000 ohm. So I am keeping it 300 for example. Okay. And it is also 300. So you can see the color has been changed. Let me show you. Okay, so the color of these 2 registers have been changed from the color of this resistor. This means that the resistance capacity of this resistor is different from this one. Okay, so this is 1000 ohm resistor and these are the 300 ohm resistor. Okay, so I will also change the capacity of the third resistor to 300 ohm. Okay, now go to the full screen. Okay, now here you can see that the capacitance, the resistance has been changed of this resistor from 1000 ohm to 350 ohm. Now we will make the connection. So how we will make the connection? First of all, we will add the LED's positive end to the resistor, and with that resistor we will connect it to the any input output pins. Okay, so I am connecting it to this resistor, and from this resistor I am connecting to pin number 3. Okay, no control. Okay, let me delete it first of all. It is basically overlapping. Okay, that's why to pin number 3. Okay, yeah, and this for the yellow LED, again we will do same thing, and we through the resistor we will connect it to pin number 2. Pin number 2, and for this green one we will connect to pin number 1. So now we have made the connection of the positive end of the LEDs to the through the register to the UNO. Okay. Now I will use the and the second end of the each LED will be connected obviously to the ground. So let's connect it to the ground. So the second point will be connected to ground. This point will also connected to the ground. So already connected. Okay, and this one is also connected with the ground. Okay, so it is connected. Okay, now the ground pin of the sorry. Yeah. So the connection has been made. Okay. Now we can see the coding of this connection at the diagram view. Okay. So in the diagram.json you can see that these are the connections. Okay. So here you can see that every wire is green. Okay. Let I want to change the color of the wire. So what I will do that for example, this is LED 1A. This one is using green color. So I want to use that as red. Okay. So now it is red. And this is LED 2A. LED 2A. This one. This is using yellow. So I will convert it to yellow. Okay. And this is already green. This LED is already green, so I will keep it as a green. Okay. Now also I want to change the color of this wire, means from the register to the port number 3. Okay. So what is the connection? R31, this one. Okay. I want to it also red. I will change it red. This must be yellow. And and this must be this is already green. And I want to change the ground connection. These are the 3 ground connection to the black one, through the black wire. So I will change it to black. Copying it. Control V, black, and Control V, sorry. Black. Now again see in the full screen mode. So now here you can see that the color of the wire has been changed. The red LED is connected with pin number 3 with the red wire. The yellow is connected with the yellow wire. The yellow LED is connected with the yellow wire with pin number 2, and the green one is connected with pin number 1 through the green wire. Okay. And the ground connection, all the ground connection are now black. Okay. So now this connection has been done. Okay. Now we will switch to the programming part. Okay, that's fine. Now we will switch, exit full screen. Now we come to the sketch.ino. Okay, here we can program it. Okay, so let's start the programming of the traffic light simulation. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we will write in the word setup. We will set up all the connections. Okay. So here, okay. So here I will write first of all serial dot begin 115200. Basically here we are making the serial connection, and The 115200 is showing the baud rate, that is the bits per second, the transfer rate between the LED and the UNO. Okay, and again here I will write if not serial, if not serial, then serial dot println serial is not okay. Okay, serial is not serial is not okay. Semicolon. So here the difference between print line println and the print is that println is always print the mentioned content message on the next line, and the print will say print on the same line. Okay. So here I am giving and a condition that if the serial connection is not okay, in that case it will print the connection is not okay. Okay. Now we will go to the setup and we will set up the LEDs as an output pin. Okay, so pin mode is used. Pin mode. So I will using 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So 1 dot output. Okay. Also pin. Let's copy. Okay. Need to write Control C, Control V, and Control V. So pin number 1, pin number 2, and pin number 3. So both pins are, here you can see that we have connected to pin number 1 with the green one, pin number 2 is with yellow one, and pin number 3 at the red one. Okay. So we have set the mode. Okay. Now we will come to the programming. While loop. While loop is basically used that the LED continues glow. The traffic light simulation will continuously run unless we stop the program. Okay. So here I will write digital write okay, what 3 dot hide. 3 dot let's start from 1 dot hide means we are going to on the first of all I will let on the red color. Okay, so I will use 3. Okay, 3 dot hide means we are switching on the red LED. First of all, high means we are supplying 1 means LED will be on. Okay, and also we will write a message here, serial print. Serial dot print line that red is let first of all on the okay. So red is on. Okay. Now I want to keep it on the red LED for 5000 milliseconds or 1000 milliseconds, whatever you want. So we will provide a delay here. Delay, for example, I am giving the delay 5000. Okay. So the LED red LED will be on for the delay of 5000 milliseconds. Okay. And now I want to off it. So in that case, I will use digital write. So I am just copying it. Control C, Control V, and this time now I want to make it low. Okay, and I also print that the LED is off. Okay. Okay. And whenever the red LED is on, someone can cross the road also. So at that point, for some time, we will on the we will on the yellow LED. So before going to the low, we will write here digital write 2, because 2 is yellow is connected with pin number 2 high, and we will also write that yellow is on, and we will keep yellow on. For example, delay let 2000 milliseconds. Okay, and after 2000 milliseconds, uh, okay, the yellow will be off. Okay, so I will again write. Yes, I will simply copy. Control C, Control V. Yellow is off. And red is also off. Okay, so yellow, to all the yellow, we have to give the low signal to the yellow LED. So I will write 2 dot yellow, because yellow is connected with the pin number 2. So low, that is okay. Okay. Now whenever the red and yellow will be off, at that point green light will be on. Okay. So I will just copying the commands here. Control C, Control V, and here we will, and green is connected with pin number 1. Okay, and green is on. Green is on for the delay of 5000 milliseconds, and after that it will be off. So Control C and Control V. One will be, sorry, yeah, one will be low, and we will write that green is off. That's okay. That works. Okay. Now let's run this program and see is there any problem or error. Okay. 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 Let's start the simulation. Go to the full screen first of all, and let's start the simulation. Yeah. So the program is correct. Here you can see that yeah, red is off for 5000 milliseconds, and in the between yellow is on. Green is not on. What is the reason? Okay, let us stop the simulation. Exit full screen. Green, because green is connected with pin number 1. Okay, that's fine. So when the red is off, we are writing digital write 1 dot high period reflect green is on. Maybe the connection is not proper. Full screen, and the ground one is this. Yeah, it is correct. So delete it, and again add this. Is the ground. Okay. Okay. The red is on, right from the millisecond. In between, yellow is also on to cross the road, and when they are off, green must be on. But green is not on. Okay, so what is the reason? This is the release 3 is connected to pin number 1. Let me connect again. This connection, and this connection is delete it and reconnect again. So let's connect with pin number 4. Maybe this is TX serial transmission pin. So let it connect with the pin number 4. Okay. Pin number 4. Okay. And exit full screen. So now this is pin number 4. Okay. So here I will correct it. One will be corrected as 4. And here I will give, instead of 1, I will give 4 and 4. Okay. Now I have connected the LED, green LED with the UNO pin number 4, not 1. Okay. Let us start the simulation. Go to the full screen. Start the simulation again. So red is on. In between, yellow will be on for 2000 milliseconds. Good, very good. Now the both are off and green is on. Okay. Now here, because we have connected to the wrong UNO pin, because UNO pin number 1 is basically a transmitter pin. Okay. So here you can see the implementation. Okay. It is clear. So you can change the delay between the on and off of the LEDs. Okay, of the traffic light. Okay. And so here you can see when the green is on, red and yellow must be off. Okay, and when the red is on, in that case, in between 2000 milliseconds is given for crossing the road, those who are walking. Okay, so you can increase the time, decrease the time as you want, no problem. Okay, now exit full screen, and now here you can save it. Okay, so it has been saved to the sketch.ino. So you can rename it. So you can go to the my project, and here this sketch.ino is here. You can rename it traffic light. Okay, and okay. So name is rechanged. So the advantage of using WokWi that you have already saved. You can save the project online, and you can share it to anyone. Okay, there is an option given to us. So whenever you want to open, you just click here and it will be open. Here you can see the option of share. So we can share our project to anyone. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.